Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am going to share another interesting but simple recipe for a facial mask that you can make easily at home. I am going to show you the ingredients that you need for this one, and I promise you're going to like it this time. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon of gram flour, also known as besan as we call it, and to this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey. And all you need to do is mix it. All right, so this is how it looks like, just like a paste. Now I will be putting this paste on my face and I am going to show you how it looks like. The zinc in the gram flour helps prevent acne and fight infections, and so does turmeric. And now I'm going to use my hands to apply this on my face, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. So I'm going to take a small amount now and just apply this everywhere on my skin. Now it's really important that you put this everywhere. The yogurt in the paste acts as a really good agent that kills the bacteria present on your skin. So it's a really good face mask to use, at least 3 times a week. Turmeric is also good to get rid of redness or any scars or blemishes on the skin, and it also calms the skin. So it's pretty easy to make and to use. All you need to do is apply it on your face and allow it to dry for 20 minutes, and after that you can just wash it. So this is done now. All I have to do is wait for a good 20 minutes and then I'll just wash it off. Okay, I have waited for 20 minutes now, and as you can see, the mask is dry on my face, and all I need to do is to remove it by washing it. So now I have already washed my face and I am going to moisturize my skin. I am just going to use a tiny bit of my daily cream to just feel better and gently massage it. I really feel the difference as my skin feels softer and cleaner, and I'd really encourage you to use this remedy to prevent acne. So my treatment is done for the day. I feel better. I feel that my skin is cleaner. You can feel the same by doing the same recipe and applying on your face. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.